11635 Ravenna, Unit C. This is a 1-bedroom studio. Very private. You have a nice big yard here. Really a nice place to live in Twinsburg, Ohio. Washer and dryer is right outside the door. It's a nice open floor plan. Refrigerator, gas stove. And just a nice place. It's got recessed lighting. You got a full bath. Here's the bedroom. Nice big bedroom too. All LTV flooring throughout, easy to keep clean. Nice pantry, a lot of storage. So this is your virtual tour. Nice little place in Twinsburg, Ohio.